For dinner, we're going to have a Malay chicken curry. As you can see, the ingredients are some onions, some fresh turmeric, a blob of ginger, a couple of cloves of garlic, some cooking oil. Let's move along here, and we've got some coconut milk, a half a can of chopped tomatoes, some turmeric powder, some chili powder, salt and pepper, and a little bit of water. Right, let's get going. Right, let's start off by peeling all the vegetables and setting them all aside. Once the vegetables have chopped, the trick is to chop them up really fine, tiny pieces. So I'm going to do that right now, but I'm going to cheat it. I'm going to use a chopper. This will give you some idea how finely chopped the ingredients need to be. Over a medium heat, place the oil into the pan and wait for the oil to heat up. Once the oil is heated up, take the chopped vegetables, place them in the pan and cook gently for about 15 minutes or until you can see that the vegetables are cooked. The trick here is you do not want this mixture to stick to the bottom of the pan. If it looks like it's sticking, add a little bit more oil or add a dash of water. As you can see, the oil is starting to separate from the mixture. This is a sign that we've almost done cooking it. So another minute or two and we should be ready to add the next set of ingredients. Right, this is nice golden brown color. The oil is separated. Time to add the rest of the ingredients. We'll start off by adding the coconut milk. Give that a good stir. Next we'll add the chopped tomatoes. If you don't have chopped tomatoes, use tomato paste. Let's add our turmeric powder. And finally, sort of curry, chili powder. I think it's more of a watered down chili powder than anything else. Smells good already, and we haven't added the chicken yet. Right, time to add the chicken. Okay. Nice, fresh, skinless chicken pieces. All right, let's get them covered up. And then we add the water. We've got about a cup of water here. Now this is going to take some time to cook. This chicken needs to simmer for at least a half an hour. We'll keep checking back and make sure that the water level stays sufficient to cover the chicken. In the meantime, sit back, relax, and let your curry cook. After simmering for about 30 minutes, the chicken looks done, so let's add the salt and pepper to taste. We like salt. Mix it all up. And what we're going to do is we're going to let this chicken simmer for about another 5 minutes so that we can thicken up the sauce. We are then pretty much ready to serve our wonderful Malaysian chicken curry. And the final result, a beautiful chicken curry served with your favorite side dish and condiments.